This is the video for completing the square and then solving a quadratic equation. For example, x squared plus 6x minus 1 equals 0. First, you might think of trying to factorise to solve it, but the only factors of 1 are 1 and 1, and they won't combine to give you 6. So you can't factorise, therefore you use the idea of completing the square. Completing the square means you write this x squared plus 6x as a single bracket squared. The first term is x, so you get x squared, and the middle term is half of this, so it's plus 3. If you expand x plus 3 squared, you get a plus 9 at the end, which you don't want, so now you always take away 9, and then you put the minus 1 next to it. All you've done is rewritten the left-hand side differently, so it still equals 0. Minus 9 take away 1 is minus 10. So I'm going to write that as x plus 3 squared minus 10 equals 0. To solve, you move the terms to the other side, leaving the x where it is. The opposite of minus 10 is to add 10, so you get x plus 3 squared equals positive 10, because the minus 10 came over. You then get rid of the squared sign by square rooting. So get rid of that squared, leaves me with just x plus 3. And if I square root the 10, I get plus and minus the square root of 10. It's a surd, so on a calculator it will give you a long decimal, but as it is now is exact, so you can leave it like that. And then I need to get x on its own, so I can drop the brackets now, because the squared isn't there. I just have to get rid of the plus 3, so I take away 3, so my answer is plus or minus root 10, and the plus 3 comes to the end as a minus 3. If someone asked you for the answers to decimal places, what you would do is you type it into the calculator in two ways. The first way you type in root 10 minus 3, and the other way you type in minus root 10 minus 3. Very roughly, root 10 is about 3.1. Take away 3, your answers are very approximately 0.1. I can't confirm that because I haven't got a calculator now, but it's close. And over here, minus root 10 take 3 is about minus 3.1. Take 3, it's about minus 6.1. But these are approximate answers. I haven't got a calculator on me at the moment. But that's how you would solve by completing the square.